Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge two reports in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to access your analytics. And basically, to do so, you can just go to the app launcher and search for analytics and then you can access them or you can find them in the navbar. If you do not have it already, you can customize your navbar by clicking on this pencil icon, and from here you can add analytics. So I'm just going to click on add more item, all, and from here you will find analytics. Because I already have it, I cannot find it in the add more items. So after that, we need just access to it, and from here we can find our reports. So basically, in the analytics, you can start creating a new report. We click on create, and then you will need just to choose the report that you want to create. For example, let's just create reports of campaigns. Let's start the report, and basically we need for it just to load, or let's just redo it. And basically now all we need to do is to add another block or to create the joint uh, report. So here we click on the report and we choose the joined report format. We click on apply, and from here you will need to add any block that you want to add or to merge with your report. So basically we want campaigns with uh, contacts or accounts, and I'm going to add block, refresh, and now we are having these two blocks. So now you can start customizing your columns, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.